Been silenced for so long, now speak. Optically eluded by liberty, seemingly ignorance is the only reality, blinding the eye of humanity and promoting unity and diversity, silently perpetuating genocide and blame it on disease. On my side, I've watched them obliterating pages of history. In the modern days, it remains unknown, like the arrival of a comet, just swallowing propaganda. Creation is still a mystery. We have lost track of knowledge. Now the message of the soul remains encrypted. We are moving sideways like an eye of a mist blown by wind in search of our identity on the X face, battling conscious. In hope of finding answers, we remain searching for meanings. Where do we belong? In this world of mortality, the song of hate prolong. With their hearts folded like rocks, they show no love, only pulling us back like a tow truck. Let's stand firm like giant sketches fathered by time and elements. Speak, Azania, speak, speak, son of Africa, speak. You've been silenced for so long, now speak. We are once free, my citizen, exploring the beauty of Africa with its well-being, only governed by laws of Mother Nature, not that of a man-made. Now we are trapped in a political landscape. Suicide is an example of an escape needed by kings and mastersmen, with no masters to prove that they are mastersmen, spreading loud like fire burning on dry grass, not depending on anyone for anything but God as provider of everything. Men, they are still in tune. We are tap dancing to the strings of colonial masters, and our ankles are sore. Ascending inflation, turning us into economy slaves. Black people work for pennies while Caucasian got it twisted. Freedom fighters are now freedom fighters, chewing the last alphabet of our dignity. Why they speak of humanity, yet my government has sold us out for pennies. Whispering deeper as the rumble of rain cloud. Education is everything. Education is everything, yet educated are not anything but slaves of the system. Knowledge remains deeper than you view it. This picture inflicts me. Conflict is still caused by color between ethnic group. A kid find amusement in the sound of an AK. The fallen heroes of MK wonder what happened to black power, where intelligence used to reflect that of a diamond now it has perished right between the sunsets and sunrise. Men, subjects of the past and memories which I find myself holding, escaping on my fingertips. They break up like waves. Speak, Azania, speak, speak, son of Africa, speak. You've been silenced for so long, now speak. I will speak until the voiceless have voice. It's your right. Your vote is your voice, but still you are silent with your voice. I grant authority to voice out my prominent sentiments with no impediments ahead, exercising ideas stored in the storehouse of thoughts. Now that I've spoken, my message should be inscripted in stones for unborn generations to know that we are gifted beyond description. Yes, it's us, the African, who hold the cradle of mankind. We are greater than greatness. Now that I've spoken, grant my weight, find light, for it is only death that can silence me. Nyabonga.